In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark's Super Agent to complete tasks efficiently. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Super Agent. You can access it directly from the dashboard or find it in the sidebar, depending on your layout. If you don't see it right away, look for the Super Agent label or icon. It's designed to be easy to spot so you can jump right into complex tasks without hunting through menus. With the Super Agent open, start by entering a clear task or prompt describing exactly what you want it to do. Think of this like giving a smart assistant detailed instructions. State your goal, add any context that matters, and mention constraints such as tone, length, or format. For example, you might say you want a product description in a friendly voice, limited to a certain number of words, or an outline that includes specific sections. The more precise you are, the better the result. Before you run it, take a moment to review the tools, models, or actions the Super Agent plans to use. You'll typically see a plan or a sequence of steps it intends to follow. Make sure that plan matches your intent. If you asked for research and a summary, confirm that both are included. If something looks unnecessary or off target, refine your prompt to steer it in the right direction before proceeding. Now, let the Super Agent run the task and generate the result. You'll see it work through its steps. This might take a bit longer for bigger or more complex requests, so give it a moment to complete. Interrupting mid-run can lead to partial results, so it's best to let it finish. When the output is ready, review it carefully. Ask yourself if it hits the goals you set, uses the right tone, and follows any constraints you specified. If it's close, but not perfect, refine your prompt. Be direct about what needs to change. Request a tighter structure, more examples, a different style, or additional sources. Iteration is normal. Small, targeted edits to your prompt typically lead to big improvements in quality. Once you're happy with the result, save, export, or continue working with the final output. You can copy it into your workflow, download it in a compatible format, or keep building on it inside Genspark. And that's it. Sign in, open Super Agent, craft a precise prompt, review the plan, run it, refine as needed, and save your polished result.